Let's work with algebraic fractions. This exercise consists on calculate and simplify working on these expressions. So let's go. Remember that we have to proceed the same way we do when we are working with numbers. So we have to follow the order of operations. When we follow the order of operations, the first thing that we have to do is performing what's inside the bracket. So let's go ahead. Here I have fractions that are adding and subtracting. To operate this, I need to have the same denominator. We can clearly see that the common denominator will be 2x. Why 2x? Because 2x is the lowest common multiple of all the denominators. I can divide this number by all of them. So let's go on. If we divide 2x by x, we obtain 2, and then we multiply by 1, and the result is 2. Now we divide 2x by 2, the result is x times 1, x. Careful because this is negative. So I place it here, and then 2x divided by 2x equals 1, and I have to multiply by this. But this negative sign affects the whole numerator here, okay? Because if I have a fraction like this, this is the same than this. It is the whole numerator, that becomes a negative. All right, be careful with this detail. Now, what I'm going to do is that I observe that here I will be able to simplify. So I'm going to simplify this fraction before multiplying then by the result of this. How can I simplify this? Remember that to simplify, I need to have everything multiplying. Here I have everything multiplying, but here I don't have it. So I have to factorize this polynomial. There are 3 ways, remember, extracting common factors, special products, and using Ruffini. In this way, we can clearly see that it is possible to extract common factor, and the common factor is 2. So we extract 2, and it is 3 minus x, right? So let's go on. We have to operate here. I'm going to write it. To get rid of this bracket, I change the signs inside the bracket, right? And here, let's try to simplify. The only thing that I can simplify is this 2, with the 2 that is a factor of 6. So I would have 3x, because I simplified by 2, I divided by 2, and I divide by 2. And here 3 minus x. So what can I do now? Well, we have to operate in this numerator. And we obtain 2 plus 4, 6. X minus 3x minus 2x divided by 2x times 3x divided by 3 minus x. Careful, not possible to simplify anymore here, because here I have a multiplication, but here I have a subtraction. Well, before multiplying these 2 fractions, I observed that I can simplify here the same way I did here. So we extract common factor again, and we have 2 common factor of 3 minus x over 2x times 3x over this. So there are many things to simplify here, because I have, if I multiply numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator, I would have 2 3 minus x times 3x, and here I would have 2x times 3 minus x, with a bracket that is compulsory because the denominator here multiplies the whole denominator here. Now everything is multiplying. Here I have a factor that is the same than here, so I can divide numerator and denominator by 3 minus x. They will cancel out and disappear. Then I have x and x. I can cancel them out. And I have 2 and 2. Again, I divide by 2 numerator and denominator. So the result is 3, just 3. All right? And it's over. I hope you understood, and be really careful and understand what you are doing all the time. See you soon.